everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the cabin air filter on this 2014 Hyundai Elantra GT. It's a really simple process. To start, you can see that there's two knobs, one on either side of the glove box. What you need to do is rotate that counterclockwise and pull it out. Same with the other side, rotate it counterclockwise, pull it out. Easier to do it with my other hand. And once you've done that, the entire glove box will hinge down. From there, you can see that you have the cabin filter access port right back there. So I'm going to go ahead and get a light in here just so you can see a little bit better, reposition the camera a little bit, and I'll come back and show you how to remove that door. Alrighty, so now you can see I've got a little bit better lit. In order to pull the cabin filter door off, all you need to do is reach onto either side, squeeze the two little tabs, and the door should just come straight off. And from there you can wiggle it out and out of the way. At that point you can see your cabin filter exposed, and all you need to do is pull the filter out. Now this filter has already been changed, so I'm going to go ahead and just reinstall it as is. In order to reinstall the filter, all you need to do is wiggle it up into place. Easier said than done whenever you're also holding a camera. Once you got it into place, just slide it in, and you're going to go ahead and replace the door. I'm going to go ahead and stick the door back on off camera, and I'm going to come back and show you how to button everything up. So you can see the cabin filter door is now reinstalled. That was super easy to do. And then to finish up the job, all you need to do is lift the glove box back up into place, and on either side you're going to replace the little knobs that came out. So just rotate them until they slot into place. Twist clockwise to lock. And same on the other side. You may need to wiggle the glove box in and out a little bit in order to get the knobs to slide in, but overall it's super simple. So, job done. 5-10 minute job. If it's your first time doing it, you might even be able to do it faster if you've done it a couple times. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.